Ah, Obaseki. Ah, wow. So, my good people of Edo State, it is me, your brother. This is Comrade Charles Igbinedion. So, election don't dey near. So, my brothers and sisters, I beg all of you now. Those of us wey dey in the diaspora, this will not be the time we'll be saying maybe we go relax, say we don't already do it. We never do anything, no. Because all these people, they ready, they me work. Not be only Edo State. They for even the bad people now, they for even the bright people. Now both in the diaspora. What do make me they talk this thing today? Be say, it get one of us will be say, one brother when they see for YouTube, they see on Naija Watch every morning, almost every time. He say in a pastor, though I don't even know that one to be pastor. That one not be even Christian. He say in Desmond Osazuwa. So what did this brother they pass? Which information it is saying they pass give them for house? Which news in the past they give them for house? This man know what they talk about at all. He know what they talk about at all. So I dey watch him for debate yesterday with Stanley Osakweno-Kwodi. He dey talk say the politics for Europe, say every government they enrich the rich men wey dey their state. They enrich them more so that they go try attract investors, companies come that state. Say na so state or country they develop. So you go fit come out, tell me of any region for this Italy where you say you did, where they work like that, and you will tell me the name of their leaders there. So you go tell me. Not they come out for social media, can they pass wrong information or they mislead people for Nigeria. You hear? Because what thing I see for all this thing, I be say, this kind of people where they come out to the beginning, can they pass this wrong information to our people back in Nigeria? These are the set of people that benefited from this kind of system in the past. This system that Governor Godwin Enoghegaso Obaseki is fighting today to wipe out away from our political system in Edo State there. And you guys, you said no. You don't want it, and you want a system where they say the rich go they get rich while the poor go they get poorer every time. Obaseki said no. A government not go fit be for some few people for Edo State, but it go be for everybody. If na 20 naira na day for that state, that it go use and thing invest will be say if you no benefit for that thing today, your generation to come go benefit from it tomorrow. So you go see the university where Ambrisali bring to Edo State today, Ogbamudia Stadium, all this what they call University of Benin. So not be there they go all those universities or all those stadium. Now their generation today now they enjoy am. Now the same thing now Obaseki, that same legacy now Obaseki want create for Edo State. We know what government will be say maybe go come and begin like they promise everyone ahead. The last time say want make the whole youth turn to a vigilante. This one at the same youth wey don't come out for Agberu for street. Then you want make them vigilante. How you go make them vigilante? Now vigilante now be the waiting use now be the job where you say you want create for our youth. Now be the job where you say you want create for our youth. And you say when you win, then you go create a vigilante to make the people work as vigilante. Then you will be paying them 20,000 every month. So I don't fair address that issue anyway. 20,000 is not up to minimum wage as a government worker in Nigeria. So we don't say that one not go work. For all of them to come the command or person like that Osazuwa wey call yourself pastor, you come out the last time that day, you say you wan spoil person wey be say im mama don born and give am name. Governor Obaseki now dey talk about Enoregase. Then you are not changing it to be Enoregase. Then at the end you will not call yourself a man of God. Say Enoregase. But if that time they born Obaseki, one of una as a pastor go say make they come dedicate am to God in his church. Then go ask am what is the name. You say Enoregase. So now you are not changing it to Enoregase. You no pay me because you no be God, and you no go ever be God. You no even be Christian. You don't even be Christian. All the information, everything where you dey come and come dey talk online, no one correct, and you yourself know. No be by to dey chat. Na chat na noise you come dey make for there. You na same people wey be say e benefit for this kind system wey Obaseki dey fight today. But you can't see manage enter Europe. You enter Europe now, you want change, you want deceive everybody. Where see they believe you, say you be pastor. You know they work. You they work. Which work you they work for Europe? Tell me which work you they work. You say you be pastor. Then you they mislead people. You they mislead people. You say 700 where una candidate is a yamu APN candidate. Is a yamu a thief. For the past, you say that money say na Tony and I carry and say na only send it. You did there. This thing when you they talk command so is a yamu never even he never even fear talk and command once. Say maybe he won't even like reason that kind of lie. Say people will believe. Is a yamu way there those say fear not go let them try that kind of rubbish because all those wanna lie. You come out. You say na Tony Anene na carry that money, na they give that money to. I don't understand some people. You just say maybe as you don't enter Europe, so say everybody it just can't dey easy to fool. Say everybody dey easy to deceive. And you want to you say the debate way you get with Stanley Usakonokwodi. He said, don't be panic. Who tell you say Stanley they panic? You know they watch comments that day. You know they watch comments. You know they see what people every time we take they comment, they talk. You know they see comments. You know they see how people they insult you. You know they see how people they advise you make you stop. Then instead you don't go stop. Then you go see continue to they mislead people. You go they speak English where you don't know. They talk anyhow. You go they talk anyhow. Tell me what the Obaseki can't do wrong. Wetin Obaseki come do wrong now we be say all the bad people wey dey Edo State before all of una just come gather together to make sure say una wan remove Obaseki for there. This one na the same person wey be say nobody no man born of woman go say maybe he go try this kind of thing wey Obaseki do so for that Nigeria. He go say after they don see help all of them don gather say okay they wan support am wey e enter power. He come see gather all of them tell them say the government not go be the way they fed the rule before. More na come we make our state the work. They say la yo because they see the money where they that revenue where they come out. They say la yo. They want it, all those past politicians. They say they carry them along. This man, okay, now only Obaseki now be the rulers governor. Okay, now only Obaseki now be governor, now be deputy, now be the minister, now be the commissioner. People not there the way they work with them. Must you work as governor before then? Another one go come. You go see continue to the loot for the state treasury. So this Obaseki we all of us get. So now somebody will be say maybe we support and appreciate. If we miss this opportunity, we go by mistake, go get another Buhari for Edo State. Get person like Buhari. Wey be Ize Yamuso come see make another Buhari dey rule Edo State. Let me say Edo State who don't finish. Let me say Edo State who don't finish. My people, now this one say make I can't drop today. Make una stop to dey listen to that Desmond Osazuwa, and I see beg Naija words. Make una not bring somebody like that come to our platform again because these guys that they mislead the people. Bye bye.